Hey everybody, you might recognize me. I am the host over at BakeLikeAPro on YouTube as well as Facebook. What you're seeing right now on the screen are some photographs from one of my latest videos where I made homemade pizza using a yeast dough. If you want to know how to make pizza at home, make sure you check out the full video tutorial over at my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. That's youtube.com/BakeLikeAPro. You can also check it out at Facebook, facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. So that's it for this really fast video. I hope to see you over on my main channel, BakeLikeAPro.